Are you putting off a difficult conversation at work? Is that because you're not quite sure how to tackle it? Or is it because you know it's going to make you feel uncomfortable and potentially the other person, and you're not really okay with that level of discomfort? Are you putting it off, knowing that actually that's going to make the situation worse in the long run? If so, then you might want to come along to the lunchtime workshop that Natasha Chatur, the work happiness coach, and I are running on Thursday this week. We're going to look at difficult conversations at work and the 3 steps necessary to mastering them. Natasha's going to approach the workshop from the cognitive aspect. So what do we need to think about? What do we need to prepare in order that this conversation can be really productive? I'm going to be looking at it from the body, breath and voice perspective. So how do I need to prepare myself, and how do I maintain the conversation once it's started? It's going to be a really practical, productive session. The idea being that you'll have lots of material to take away and implement immediately if you need to. If you'd like to come, it's Thursday this week. That's Thursday the 3rd of December from 1 till 2, and the sign up is below. We hope to see you there. Take care. See you soon.